Hey, this is Brian from Little Rock. Today I'm going to show you how to use Canva to design a notepad. Generally, what you need in a notepad is you need one sheet of paper that is designed, and then that sheet of paper will get used over and over again on a notepad. So, one of the things you want to do is you go into Canva, you set up an account, and we'll just start from the beginning here. You're going to land on the home page, and best thing to do on notepads, from what I found, is you're going to want to um, go to the templates page, type in something like notes pages, and you're going to go find a notepad layout that works best for you. So in this case, let's go with this one here. Of course, you're going to go customize design. Now, in this case, this is going to open us up 8.5 by 11 note page. I want to make a 3.5 by 8.5 inch note page. So you're going to go, before you do any design, you're going to go to the magic switch. You're going to go custom size. Very popular size, like I said, is a 3.5 by 8.5. And we're going to resize this design. So it's going to kind of jumble it up here. So we can take this section, and what we want to do is we probably want to group this all together. Group. And that'll create our lines. We can extend that to the full bleed. And let's say we want to fill the rest of the page with this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy this entire section. Control C, Control V. And I'm just going to bring it down with good spacing like that. So even though it's longer, it goes into the kind of infinity. You can go in here, you can change the word notes, you can move these elements around, delete what you don't want, even bring in your own stuff. So if you wanted to bring in your own item, we could bring in like a logo. So we're going to bring in, got one over here that I want to use. Oh, okay. Well, you could bring in your logo, and you're good to go. So the key to have if you're doing a full bleed notepad, which means that you're doing all the images to bleed to the edge, you want to make sure that all these things are bigger than the text, so that when you export it, oops, let's go back. I'll show you how to export that in a second, but you're going to want to name this, so we'll call it Southern Acres Notepad. And I always like to put the size into the name, so 3.5, 8.5. When you're done, you're going to download a print PDF file, something like that. And you're going to wind up with a PDF with bleed that looks just like this. So now we got a nice file. The trim marks are going to cut off where we want. 3.5 by 8.5 is going to be the finished size, and you're good to go. And that's how you order. That's how you design a notepad. And then lastly, if you're going to order it, you would go to the Notepads page, and you're going to want to select the 6 up, 3.5 by 8.5. Make it 3.5 by 8.5. Pick whatever paper makes more sense to you, black and white or color. And then if you want 25, 40, 50 sheets per pad, single-sided, and then you would select your quantity of notepads, add it to your cart, upload your file, and check out. And that's how you design notepads using Canva. Thank you.